How to type request to Siri on your iPhone 16 Pro Max. So if you want to type request to Siri, then you have to enable this feature from your settings. So first of all, enable Siri, and after enabling Siri, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and here tap on accessibility. Now in accessibility, scroll down and tap on Siri, and here you will see our type to Siri button. So when this button is turned off and you will press and hold the side button, it will open the Siri and you have to say something to command the Siri. But if you want to write request to Siri, then tap on this button to turn it on, and now when you will press and hold on the power button, it will open the keyboard and you can write request to Siri. So that's how you can type requests to Siri on your iPhone 16 Pro Max. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.